Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to report a comment on TikTok. If you come across a comment that violates TikTok's community guidelines or contains inappropriate content, follow these simple steps to report it. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok feed and find the post with the comment you want to report. Tap on the arrow icon located to the right of the post. This will bring up a menu with various options. Step 3. Tap on the comment icon from the icons to the right. This will take you to the comments section of the post. Step 4. In the comments section, locate the comment you want to report. Tap and hold on the comment. This will bring up a menu of options. Step 5. From the menu, tap on Report. You will then be prompted to select the reason why you want to report the comment. Step 6. Choose the appropriate reason that best describes the violation or issue with the comment. This could include options such as harassment, hate speech, or spam, among others. Step 7. After selecting the reason, tap on OK to confirm the report. TikTok will review the reported comment and take appropriate action if necessary. By following these steps, you can easily report a comment on TikTok and contribute to maintaining a safe and positive community environment. Please note that reporting a comment should be done responsibly and only for legitimate reasons. It's important to foster a respectful and inclusive online community. Thank you for watching, and remember, your reporting can make a difference.